already here at the clinic. I'm gonna be having my procedure done in a few minutes. We've already been tested and briefed of what to expect. I'm excited. I got a little nervous about the test, but now that I'm negative and
well, it's always nerve-wracking for us to go through that since
the 15 minutes.
We've been through so many already.
So every time we're waiting for the results, it's always nerve-wracking.
I think
but
everybody goes through
I'm back
that,
to the excited mode. I'm excited to.
You know what? If I can only
for the finished product,
jump 9 months, so I can already see.
I know, right?
But they're gonna be able to do that. They can just fast forward for you guys, like before and after. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, I wish like I wish we could just fast forward everything, skip the ugly ducting stage, and
which will happen, which means that all those hairs that will be implanted, they will fall off.
Yep.
The roots will be staying in place, which they will bloom later on, like around 9 months, right? Like 7 to 9 months. Yeah.
I'm actually excited that during the brief I was told that I can have an SMP procedure for my scar. I was expecting to have it a year after, but just to know that I can have it like a month or 2 months after, that I could already address the scar issue. That's amazing. So I'm excited for that. I'm already excited for the procedure today, but I got excited again for that.
It's so interesting that the clinic really took in consideration any single aspect of concerns that a patient can have. Like Jun, for an instance, that he hates his scarring from the previous procedure, that they already have that covered. So whatever it is your concern, you can just come by. They'll make sure they will be very personal about your concerns.
Actually, I was gonna ask about SMP, but they already mentioned it before I even asked, so that's perfect.
Yeah. So they got you covered. I think that's the most important part, and the is waiting for you.
Yeah, and you know what? One more thing that I noticed from entering to everything's world class. So looking forward to everything today.
Me too. Yay! Excited.
Designing a hairline, the most important part is that we get proportion and balance into the face. A masculine hairline should have a nice natural lift and a very feathered edge across the front, so that no one can tell that you've had a hair transplant, but with a lot of density and thickness throughout the middle, so that you can have the versatility in different styles. What's really important in this case is that because we've had a previous transplant, that we follow the direction of the existing hairs, but fill in as many gaps as we can see, in this case, all of them.
Nice.
And then finally, with the scar that exists at the back, in a few weeks' time, we'll be able to fill that in with what's called a scalp micropigmentation to give that visual effect of no transplant, so that you can have high fades in the future as the fashion dictates.
Yes.
All right, so the best part is yet to come. Implanting through the front, feathered natural hairline, and maximum density through the middle without tools. Cool, exciting.
I'm feeling really good, actually. We're in the implantation part already of the procedure, towards the end, and I'm feeling good. This bed is really comfortable. It's heated as well, so I'm enjoying that. I've been going in and out of sleeping. I'm that relaxed, and then when I'm up, I'm actually not paying attention to the movie because I've been talking to the and they've been doing a really good job. I'm learning a lot about FUT, FUE, DHI, and even the post recovery. So it's been good. It's been informative. Like I'd rather actually learn more than watch a movie. So it's been great. I'm enjoying my time. I can't believe that it's almost done. So it's about like 7 p.m. and yeah, I can't believe it went that fast. Actually, I didn't even notice the time, to be honest, because I was so relaxed and just comfortable all throughout. From the day one of the phone consultation, it's been great. You guys have been consistent, just taking care all the way through the meeting you guys in person. The in-person consultation was great too, all the way to today. And like just the process, even the process of the pre-procedure, everything was great. You guys gave us all the information, adjusted our expectations coming in to the clinic. Everything was great up to right now. You know, I'm still happy. I'm still in the mood to actually talk and just tell people about everything. That we have such a world-class professional clinic for hair transplant in the Philippines, carrying the DHI brand, which is known to be the best in the world. But I guess just seeing it, well, right now, just seeing it, the results, like I can, you know, like just seeing the results. That's the best part. And second best, I had fun, like watching my wife clip my hair, and just everybody actually, they made me feel comfortable. From Nicole to all the nurses to all the doctors, so everybody, I felt safe, you know, safe, relaxed, and taken care of. I felt like a VIP, to be honest. I'm feeling great. I am actually surprised that I'm still excited, you know, like the same mood that when I got in here. I'm leaving with the same mood, but probably even happier, because when I saw it in the mirror in the bathroom, I was like, wow, this huge difference, especially in the hairline. So I was already satisfied with my hairline before coming here. My crown was my area of concern, but I let you guys do the work, and it's fantastic. Like, honest to goodness, it's fantastic. I love it. Also, I'm feeling great. I feel honestly, I feel like I can drive home, but I'm not gonna do that. But seriously, I feel great. I feel refreshed. Like, you know, just an ordinary day. I don't even feel like I'm gonna have trouble at home or anything like that. This is the best way to go. Like, honest to goodness, this is the best way to go. Don't prolong it anymore. Do your research, and then once you've done your research, you're gonna realize that this is the best way to go. Dude, the experience today was great. Just wanted to say over and over again, no exaggeration, this is just really organic stuff. Yeah, like everybody was there, was world-class, professional, and I'm not even home yet, and I already received the text asking how I am, telling me that I did great, but in reality, they did great. So
all you did was sleep.
all I did was sleep, knock out, get up. But yeah, Doc Raphael, such a professional. I actually, you know, like he took me to my car, and then I couldn't help it. I was like, I have to shake your hand. You know, I was at that level. I gotta shake your hand. You know, it's the first handshake that I've done in a while. So, you know, I had to say goodbye the correct way, and I shook his hand. You know, that just says a lot, because I haven't shook in anyone's hand in a while, but I had to. I was like, I need to. I told him I need to shake your hand. So, guys, thank you, Clinique de Paris, or Clinique de Paris, if you're reading it
Filipino way.
the Filipino or the English way. Clinique de Paris. They're in Makati. They carry the brand DHI, which is the world leader in hair transplant.